How to set technical indicators on the iqoption platform. Technical indicators are tools that may help traders spot entry and exit points, identify market trends, and predict how the market will potentially perform in the future. Technical indicators are mathematical formulas that are based on past data, historical prices, and volume. These data may help indicate potential future price movements or identify current trends. There are more than 100 technical indicators available on the iqoption platform. The use of technical indicators may assist in taking more informed trading decisions. In order to set technical indicators on the iqoption platform, click on the Indicators icon in the left lower corner of the chart. The indicators are grouped into categories. Select a category and find a technical indicator you would like to use. Alternatively, you can search an indicator by its full name or by typing the first letters of the indicator name. Each indicator has a short description. To read it, mouse over the indicator name. The most popular indicators are accompanied by simple explanations on how they may be applied. Click How to Use to see the instructions. In the video tutorial section dedicated to technical analysis, you may find some videos explaining how the most popular indicators work. Once you have selected an indicator, check its parameters in the Setup and Apply tab. If you prefer using default settings, click Apply. The indicator will be immediately activated and added to the chart. If you would like to change the indicator settings according to your needs, do so in the same window and then press Apply. In the Templates tab, you can save the selected indicator presets to be able to quickly apply them to any chart later. In the Widgets tab, you can enable several widgets. The Trader Sentiment widget shows the ratio between the traders who are buying the selected CFD asset and those who are currently selling it. To view the asset's high and low values for a specific time frame, go to High and Low Values, select a time frame, and click Enabled. If you would like to see the most important news related to the selected asset, as well as its trading volume right on the chart, activate the News and the Volume features. You can combine several indicators and add fundamental analysis tools to enhance your trading performance. However, you should keep in mind that no technical indicator gives 100% accurate indications. Enhance your trading now. Click the link in the video description to get access to a free demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds. Have a pleasant trading experience.